Hello everyone, this is about a little robot I got as a Christmas present from my daughter. It's made by Freenove. Um, it's all run from a, let me just zoom in. Where are we? There we go. You can see there that it's all run from a Raspberry Pi Pico W, because it has the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and I've updated some firmware so that it uses the Bluetooth on the Raspberry Pi instead of using the Bluetooth module that comes with it here. There's usually a little Bluetooth. Have I got it somewhere? Yeah, here we go. It usually comes with this Bluetooth module, and that would normally plug in there like that, but we're not using that. We're using the Bluetooth on the actual Raspberry Pi. It has a nice little motherboard. You can see from the top we've got a little buzzer. It's got in the four corners here. Where are we? Hang on. The four corners. It's got the four RGB LEDs. We've got the pins for the servos here, and the other pins, and some more breakout pins here. We've got a battery case. It'll take a 9-volt battery, and you can plug that into the power supply. I'm going to use my bench supply when I start it up. It's got the ultrasonic sensors on the front. It's got two nice little 8x8 LED displays. It's got the legs. There's a server for the legs and a server for the feet. So we've got 2 feet. And while we're on, let me just turn that around and see if we can get that in picture. I don't know if I can get it. There. Right. What happens with these feet? They tend to they move like this, backwards and forwards, sort of like that, and it puts a lot of stress on this cable here. So what I've done is I've tucked it underneath this screw, and I've just used some PVA glue. Hang on. Let me show you what I've got. I've just used a bit of this PVA glue, and I've just put a little blob in there, basically, and that just holds the cable in place, and all the stress then. Let me just turn it around again. Focus it. Yeah. Then all the stress then is my hand's it way. Where's me? So then all the stress is around there, and it's not on this bit here, because basically what happens is if this moves, then the cables break inside. So I've just done that little. Let me just zoom in again. There, little mod, and I've done that with all 4. I've done that on the bottom one, and I've put it on the. Hang on, let's turn it round, and you can see I've put it on there, and I've put it. I've done it there as well. So that stops the servos from getting broken. So there's our little guy. And also, when I modified the what I've done is I modified it, and I've actually done. I don't need that. where are we? I have I've created these two files, and this basically does what the serial command did. I've sort of modified it, and it works with the Bluetooth on the Pico. Yeah, he's out of shot. Get him in shot. There we go. Yes. So basically, that's for the firmware on this Pico here. And also, I've also added this. This actually is a new command. I'll show you it later on. Is receive sing. So basically, what that does. Hang on. Let's just. Yeah. What that does, it has this here basically. It uses that, and it'll play a little chirpy sound song on the it'll come out of where are we? It plays a little bit of sing out of this buzzer here. This little buzzer. So let's have a look. So yes, the application I've done is on Microsoft Store. So if we just go if we just open up Microsoft Store, go to Microsoft Store, go to search at the top and just type in Tim's. Oh, we don't have to put it all, it's that one there we want. Tim's BLE Robots. So click on that, and then you can click on install there. This is the reason for this is I am the developer, so it's actually on my machine as a developer's version, but you just click this, you just click that, and it just installs it basically. But it won't on mine because I have it installed on my machine. So this is what it looks like. So let's just bring it up. Where are we? Right. Well, yeah, because I'm a developer, that doesn't, it won't install unless I remove it from my machine and installs the version that is on the internet. So let me just find it. There we go. Here it is. So basically, this opens, and what I need to do, actually, just bear with me. I just need to put some power into here. And then just press this button. Hang on. There's a power button. Oops, a power button there. And then we get the power light. And I want to try and get him in shot, so I'll just put him there for a moment. See if we can focus. That looks better. And if I get my application, so what we do is you just scan for devices, and then we have Pico W BLE. Click that, and then it connects. I don't know if you heard that go tweet, but that's connected. And as I say, let me just bring this up. This command, we can, which does this. We can put that in there. We can put shift 0, put 1 in, and then hash, and I'll send that command. Let me just put my microphone. Sorry about this. Just put my microphone. Then what I can do is okay, let me just put my microphone back. Just my microphone's just a little clip-on thing I made. And so you can see the receive commands. You can see that these is this battery up here, basically. What we can do is we've got emotions, so we can pick an emotion, smile, and then we can also have this hello. I'll tell you what, I'll move that over there. Move him across here. There we go. That's better. I don't know if you can hear it, but let's try that again. And then we can go, hello. Don't know if you can hear it. I hope you can hear it.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
And
Goodbye. Goodbye. Nice to meet you.
and then also we've got the 4 LEDs around the things, so we can click red. Ooh, it's a bit bright. Let's turn it down. There we go. Green. So you can pick what colour you like. Then we can have following. There we go. Blink. And we can have breathing. And rainbow. Obviously this doesn't affect rainbow. But then if you click red again, it will go to fixed colour. And like I say, we can change the brightness. So that is that. And then we've got, I'll move it over to this side and bring him across here. So we also have some preset. Oh, we have the buzzer as well. So we've got this buzzer. So you can set the frequency. I don't know if you can hear it. Hang on, I have to get it close. Just, bear with me. Take my mic off again. Just put my mic. tell you what, my hearing aids, that one. My hearing aid, that one. You probably, I don't know if you can hear that from here, but that's quite loud. And then we have the sonar. We have the sonar mode. So for these sonar, we can have it walking. Let's just move that across. And go sonar mode. And hang on. You can see. You can see here that we've got the distance. Hang on. Sorry, it's going all over the place. But yeah, see the distance. It's a bit close, so I'll just turn that off. Okay, so turn that off. And then we've got the dance mode. So, well, let's have it play a song. Oh, hang about. Tell you what. Just turn that off. Oh, no connection. We just I think we lost power there. We just reset. Well, somehow we've lost power. There we go. We've got power back now. So anyway, I'll just put the mic next to it. Here we go. And then we are connected, and then there we are. Sorry. I just put my mic next to it. So yeah, I hope you like my thing. Forget another one, but then there's about. So they've got my web page, and then you've got Freenove's homepage as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, hang about. Get me little fella. Hang about. Bring him across, and then go. And goodbye. Well, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching.